Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day in this one. Volume remains strong, and after a rough start, the opening 30 minutes, the price actually pulled back quite a bit, but then after that pullback, just came roaring back to life. And not only did it put in higher lows, put in higher highs. So in other words, a lot of eyeballs are going to be continuing to watch this one, and levels of support and resistance need to be updated here. So the first level of support, and one of the newest areas that I would now deem the ideal level, is at 1850. Ideal meaning for it to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would certainly be if the price can stay above $18.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above 1850, that would certainly be a very, very impressive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, when it comes to just judging and gauging the health of the overall movement, this right here I'm defining as the overall movement. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. That they're in full health. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. And as far as areas of resistance, they just don't matter, as I've said in past videos. And what do I mean by resistance levels not mattering? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that's this right here. Just building those higher bases. As long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to envision these as stair steps, as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upward direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those higher bases, focus on healthy consolidations, and just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.